Instagram Reels are short, engaging videos lasting up to 90 seconds. They're perfect for quick entertainment. But sometimes you need to pause. Here's how you can take control and stop the action. To pause, simply tap the video once. It's that easy. This allows you to catch those important moments without missing a beat. Once paused, tap again to resume playback. You'll never lose track of interesting content. Use this feature to take notes or share with friends. It's perfect for capturing those must-see moments. Now you're ready to enjoy Instagram Reels at your own pace. Happy scrolling! Remember, pausing is just one of many features Instagram offers to enhance your experience. Tap, share, and engage. Interact with your friends to make the most of your Reels experience. Explore new trends and challenges. Each Reel can inspire creativity in a fun way. Practice using the pause feature and see how it enhances your viewing experience. Stay connected and enjoy all the amazing content Instagram has to offer. Happy reeling! Don't forget to share this tip with others who might find it helpful.